welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this gorgeous hairstyle with this gorgeous, do we see it? Because I'm living. The installs have been popping, okay? So I'm in a great mood. This hair is from Wiggins hair. It's a cute little highlighted situation, but as you can see, it's mostly highlighted like in the front. We like that. It's super cute and it's a super chocolate moment, but it's really nice. I love the density of this wig, all that yada yada yada. But if you want to hear more about this wig, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channels. Both of them, I have two. Make sure you guys like this video and keep watching. Alright guys, let's get into this install. Today I'm going to be working with Wiggins hair. I have this gorgeous pre-colored, pre-highlighted unit. This is a 26-inch wig, and it is pre-colored, like I said, and it's 180% density, which means she's pretty thick. She's just the way I like it. I would say 180% density would be equivalent to like 3 very full bundles in a frontal. But this was like really full, not thick. She was full, and I loved every minute of it. And I know I always use I always wear pre-highlighted units, but as you can see, this one was just a little bit unique. It was a little different. It was more of a chocolatey brown, and it had like this honey blonde just in the front to frame your face. I really liked it, and I thought it was super cute. So I'm cleaning off my hairline with the Erica J Skin Guard, just so that my install can last longer and just lay flat and all that good stuff. Make sure you get some, okay? If you're laying your wigs by yourself, or if you have a hairstylist, they need to be using this on you, okay? Period. So now I'm gonna be spraying my hair. I did not use my bold hold because this day my liquid gold spilled everywhere. It's still in the drawer till this day. I don't know if it's hardened. I don't know if it's sticky. I just kind of closed the drawer and walked away because it's very messy. So I currently have no liquid gold, but it's okay. I'm used to using my hairspray anyway, so I'm using the Got2b hairspray, not the original Got2b. I'm using the one in the purple and blue can. I personally like that one because it's just like a thinner formula, but it also has a great hold and it dries super fast. So it's great for those quick installs. So now I'm just doing my hair like I always do, you know, putting the elastic band on, cutting the lace, yada yada. This lace was really nice, but the lace was a little bit light for my complexion personally, so you guys are gonna see later I just tinted it. It tinted really easily. Sometimes you have to tint lace, sometimes you don't. It just depends on what lace you get. I'm not 100% sure if this is transparent. I think it might be, but sometimes transparent is a little bit too light for my brown girl, so we got to put in a little bit more elbow grease, but not a big deal at all because the lace was still fairly thin and it did melt when applied correctly. in my very humble and unprofessional opinion, I feel like my installs have been hitting. I've been just like taking my time, doing a few more steps, and it just looks a lot better, and my installs have been lasting longer. So it's just like, you know, I'd rather just take an extra 30 minutes and just have a pop-in install. So what I do now before actually styling my hair or layering, I like to run the flat iron through it. This is probably not something I'm going to do every time. I'm going to just keep it a buck. But when I want my hair to look very polished and very clean, I like to run the flat iron through it. It just makes the world of a difference. It doesn't have to be like a real flat iron, like a silk press. Just run the flat iron through it so it's nice and smooth. And you guys saw it just looks so much better. So now at this point, I'm going to take my silk scarf off and I'm going to cut my baby hairs. I'm getting a little bit better at my baby hairs. I told you guys I'm working on it because my goal is to have a pop-in install, okay? Because I just, you know, I be trying to get my hair done, but it just never works. It just doesn't work with my schedule. Hairdressers take too long. I said hairdressers. That was real OG. Hairstylists just take too long for my likings. We don't be on the same schedule. Y'all know I provide a service as well, and I be busy. I have my own clients. It's just a lot going on. So I just need to perfect my hair myself, okay? So I'm just doing my baby hairs. You guys know I cut them, flip them, swoop them. Just in that order, okay? And now I'm going to start layering the hair because I did want to curl this hair today. So I mainly focused layering the hair in the front where the highlights were. I didn't really do too much to the back because like I didn't want it to be super layered because the hair was so long. It was 26 inches, baby, but it was giving 28 or something. Like she was long and she was full. So I don't really like to like over layer my hair when my hair is already long. It's just like not, I just haven't perfected it. That just takes a lot of work that I'm not ready for. So I just layered those front pieces a little bit on the sides and that was it. There's no, I keep telling you guys, I don't really know how I layer. I just do what I do, and yeah. So, you guys, this may be the first tutorial that you guys are seeing me use my curling iron. I know I've graduated from the curling wand, even though I still love my curling wand. I stay true to my curling wand. But, yeah, I just decided if we're going to step it up a notch, we might as well just go all the way. And this is probably why my hair has been looking a lot better. I literally have been using a curling iron. So, this specific one was a Babyliss curling iron in a 1.5 inch, and I had got it this day. I wasn't really familiar with it. I literally learned how to curl the day before this, and I just went out and bought another one. Like, girl, relax. But this one was personally too big for me to work with because I'm still new to it. I don't really know how to like do it like that. So I alternated and went back to my smaller one. This one, is it this one? No, not yet. The black one that you guys are going to see is by Bar, and I got it from TJ Maxx months ago. If you guys watch my vlogs, you guys know I got it months ago, and I had just cracked it open the day before this video. Like, it's been sitting there collecting dust. Ridiculous, right? But the Bar one is amazing. It's so good. It's so smooth. I just love it. But I just thought that the big one was going to give me more of a voluminous look, but the 1-inch one is just fine. So I will give you guys a updated curling tutorial, or show you guys more how I curl once I get the hang of it, because I'm still trying to figure it out, because girl, it's a struggle. So I just curled my whole head, and honestly, curling my hair took like over an hour. Like, that's how slow I am at it. If I had the curling wand, I would have been done with this in 30 minutes. And mind you, this hair is long and it's thick, so it did take a little minute. But once I did, oh, and I was pinning the hair as I curled it, because the hair was so long, I wanted to kind of hold that volume, that body. So once I did that, I took it out, and you guys are gonna see that later on in the clips, but I took out the pin curls, and I just combed through it, and that was it, you guys. This was like a really popping install. Like, I really love this hair. It's super silky, it's super bouncy. You guys are gonna see at the end when I'm like running my fingers through it, it's just so freaking nice. So make sure you guys check out Wiggins hair. I will leave everything in the description box, all the information, including the tools and products that I use. And if I don't, y'all have permission to check me. This is the only time I will give y'all permission to check me, okay? I can't even say permission, because what? But thanks so much for watching. Make sure you guys comment below, interact, tell me what you guys think about my video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.